In the heart of a moonlit forest, where shadows dance and stars twinkle, a wise owl watches over her friends. She glides silently through the night, her eyes reflecting the secrets of the forest. As the moon beams brightly, she perches upon a sturdy oak branch, fluffing her feathers, ready to embrace her dreams. Let's hoot softly, bidding the wise owl a tender good night. Good night, guardian of the twilight. Nearby, a curious rabbit hops through the underbrush. His soft fur glistens in the moonlight as he explores the mysteries of the night. As the stars shimmer above, he finds a cozy nook under a fern, curling up tightly. Can you wiggle your nose, just like the rabbit settling in for the night? Good night. Good night, explorer of the moonlit paths. In the heart of the forest, a graceful deer strides elegantly. Her gentle eyes reflect the serene beauty of the night. As the moon casts its silver glow, she lies down in a bed of soft moss, her ears twitching at the sounds of the night. Let's stretch our legs, feeling the calmness of the deer. Good night. Good night, spirit of the serene woods. Beside a crystal clear pond, a frog croaks melodiously, adding to the forest's nighttime symphony. His green skin shimmers under the starlight. As the night grows still, he nestles into the cool mud, his eyes slowly closing. Can we croak gently, wishing the frog sweet dreams? Good night. Good night, singer of the twilight chorus. In the shadows, a fox trots silently, his red fur a whisper in the night. He's been exploring the forest's secrets, agile and alert. As the first light of dawn approaches, he finds a warm den, curling up with his bushy tail. Let's stretch like the fox, ready to rest. Good night. Good night, swift wanderer of the night. The moonlit forest now sleeps under the watchful eyes of the stars, each creature finding peace in the embrace of the night. You've helped them all find their rest. Well done, little dreamer. As the moon watches over, it's time for you to find your own peaceful rest. Close your eyes and let the lullabies of the forest carry you into dreams where you roam freely under the starlit sky. Good night, little one. Good night, enchanted